A director of a corporation owes a duty to shareholders to exercise his or her best and impartial judgment on behalf of the corporation. As a result, any agreement that prevents a director from performing such a duty is void as against public policy. In the 1936 case Clark v. Dodge, the Court of Appeals of New York considered whether a voting agreement between two directors who were also the sole shareholders of a corporation was void as against public policy. David Clark and John Dodge were the directors and sole shareholders of the pharmaceutical companies Bell & Company Incorporated and Hollings-Smith Company Incorporated. Clark was the minority shareholder and owned 25%, and Dodge was the majority shareholder and owned the other 75%. The companies manufactured medicine by secret formula, but only Clark knew the secret formula. In fact, Dodge took no active part in the businesses, though he was the president of Bell and the general manager of Hollings-Smith. On February 15, 1921, Clark and Dodge entered into an agreement whereby Clark agreed to disclose the secret formula of the medicine to Dodge's son so that the business would carry on after Clark's death. In return for Clark's promise, Dodge agreed to vote his majority stock in 4 specific ways to ensure that Clark would have lifetime employment and a secure financial return. Pursuant to the agreement, Dodge first agreed to vote his stock so that Clark would continue to be a director of Bell. Second, Dodge also agreed to vote his stock so that Clark would continue to be the general manager of Bell so long as he was faithful, efficient, and competent. Third, Dodge agreed to vote his stock so that Clark would receive 1/4 of the net income of the corporate profits during his lifetime. Fourth, Dodge agreed to vote his stock so that no unreasonable salaries would be paid to other officers of the corporations, which would reduce the net income. Subsequently, when Dodge failed to vote to have Clark continue as director and general manager of Bell, Clark sued Dodge for breach of the agreement. Additionally, Clark alleged that Dodge hired incompetent people at excessive salaries to reduce his portion of net income. In response, Dodge filed a motion to dismiss, contending that the agreement wasn't enforceable under the law. The trial court denied the motion, and Dodge appealed to the appellate division, which reversed. Clark then appealed to the Court of Appeals of New York, the state's highest court.